I'm here with the 1965 Ford F100 video update number 8. It's been a while. I've been having camera issues, so I haven't had a chance to really post any videos lately. Just wanted to show you where we were at on it. I think since the last video we took the inner fenders and the actual fenders and everything off. We had put the headers on it. It's Flowtech headers, just starting to fit the hooker exhaust. I bought a kit for it. Engine's covered in dust right now. I gotta blow it all off and cover it back up. Here's the exhaust that we got just kind of clamped in right now at the moment, just trying to fit it. I gotta install the exhaust hangers and put it back up. Running them out, and they're going to go behind the wheels. We had started putting in the bottom cab corners. Those were all rusted in here, so we just got welded in a patch panel there and a patch panel down there. Just got to finish sanding all the paint and everything off. And sorry for the video quality. This is definitely not the same as the HD camera. Just thought I'd give this a try until I can get my other camera going. Got the bed back off and just kind of standing up for now. Took all the dash bezels off, started sanding down the dash, stripping all the paint off in there so you can get ready to put down some epoxy primer. Just started cutting this out. I had some areas. This was a hole. I went in and patched it. Had a pinhole here, started grinding on it and went through, so now I cut this out. I got to weld in a new piece here along with this hole. Got most of the lip here. That's all new lip that I welded in. You can kind of see how I bent the corner and made it. Got that all welded in, come out okay. I got to pull the doors back off so I can prime the cab. Go around and show you the front side here. Garbage everywhere. This was a big rust hole I found between the bolts after I ground the paint down, so I just got done welding in a patch there. Haven't got the motor going yet. I started running the fuel lines and everything. Still got to hook up power to the distributor, and I got a couple more lines to run, and I got to hook up the throttle linkage. I bought all new chrome stuff, but I hadn't had a chance to put it on yet. The lip up here. All that's new. It's got surface rust going on it. It rained on it the other day, so I gotta spray some OSFO back on it again. When I put OSFO on it, it seems to do okay for a month or so before it starts to rust again. So on the radiator support, let's see if I can get a picture of it here. You can see here where we started trying to recreate some of the areas that were totally rusted and gone. Now I got to work on the front half. Now I got to do this area down here, that area through there, and right there. Once I get that done, that'll be ready to shoot some paint on it. And that's just a quick update, just to kind of give you an idea where I'm at on it. Hopefully I'll get my camera situation squared away here and get back to some HD videos instead of this shaky, blurry mess. Anyways, just want to let you know I'm still alive. I'll talk to you guys hopefully soon. Thanks for watching.